Windows 11 provides a comprehensive sound option accessible through the Settings app or directly from the taskbar for managing audio devices and settings. We will be using the taskbar in this example to access sound settings. From the taskbar, click the speaker icon located at the bottom right corner near the system clock. This opens a quick volume slider, allowing you to adjust the master volume instantly. For more detailed sound management, right-click the speaker icon and select Sound Settings. This opens the sound page in the Settings app, where you can configure input and output devices such as speakers, headphones, and microphones. Within the sound settings, you can choose your preferred output device for audio playback. For example, if you have your PC speaker connected and you also have your headphones connected, you can select which one of the peripheral devices you would like to use to hear the output audio from the PC. You can also select your input device for recording or voice communication if this is different from the output device. For example, if you have a microphone that is separate from your PC speaker or headphones, you can select the microphone at the input device as long as it is recognized by Windows. You can adjust the volume levels for each device individually by using the slider for each option. Windows does have an advanced sound section for input and output audio and allows you to troubleshoot devices that may be having issues with connecting to Windows or operating in general. But we will cover that in a later video called Advanced Sound Settings for Windows. The sound option in Windows 11 is designed to give users flexible control over their audio environment, whether for casual listening, professional audio work, or communication. To get more familiar with these options, I would recommend testing these settings out so that you have a better understanding on how to use the settings. Nothing is more valuable than getting some hands-on experience in the IT world.